Hello! Welcome to the first video in the four-part series created by the Writing Reading Specialists in the Academic Achievement Center here at MassBay Community College. Today I would like to outline the steps needed to create a research paper. This is done by first making sure you understand the assignment given to you by your professor. Sometimes professors will allow students to choose any topic related to the field, and other times professors will give you a more structured assignment. The trick is to choose a topic that is not too broad or too narrow. Many times, students choose a topic that is too general. This prevents you from adequately discussing every aspect of the topic and makes it more difficult to find sources. One example of a topic that a student brought to me that is too general was the history of religion. I told the student that since the paper was only 6 pages, there was no way she could explain the history of all religions around the world in 6 pages. It would be too hard to research, and she would get frustrated. After talking with her further, she narrowed down her topic to be the ways Puritan thought is still with us today in America. This gave her some focus and was a topic that she could explore in 6 pages. Another student came to me with another topic that was also too broad. It was violence is harmful to people. One problem with this topic is that no one would argue against it. If there is no controversy in a research paper proving a point, then it will not be an effective paper. It is also too broad. There is no way the person could explain why all types of violence is bad. Bad in what way? Does she mean political violence, domestic violence? After talking with her, she came up with the topic, elementary school children are taught to be violent by the toys that are available to them. This topic is more focused and can be covered in one short research paper. So how do you choose a topic? First, think of a general issue or interest that you have. Narrow it down by asking yourself, what populations am I most interested in studying? Am I writing about people all over the world or just one area? Will I write about this issue over a long period of time, or just how it affects people today? Remember that after you choose a topic, it is good to check it with your professor before you do your research. Remember that eventually you will need to write a thesis statement. This is a single sentence that provides the reader with a clear idea about the main idea of a research paper. For example, the first student who I mentioned above, who was studying the ways Puritan philosophy affects modern Americans, she could write a thesis statement that stated, Puritan philosophy still affects Americans today. Notice that she is taking a position on the issue and has come up with a statement that's a full sentence about her position. Lastly, in this video, I want to invite you to choose a topic that relates to you. Choose one that relates to the career you wish to pursue or an interest you wish to learn more about. Thank you for joining us, and remember to stop by anytime you have questions.